of good flavor. This is chicken thighs. It just cooked in olive oil. Took them out. Put the pearl onions, the whole garlic cloves, the fresh thyme, lemon. Then we're going to add some roasted artichokes, kalamata, olives, wine, white wine, lemon juice. And then we'll bake it at 350 in the pan. It's going to be good. So we've added all the rest of the ingredients. We'll let it simmer a second. Then we'll get the chicken back in there. Try to get the chicken so it's touching the bottom of the pan, and then we'll bake it for 350 for like 20 more minutes. I basically seared each side in olive oil for 5 minutes a side, crisp up that chicken skin. So yeah, this is a one-pan recipe, one-pot recipe, and I gotta tell you, the flavors, the smell is so good. All right, we got the chicken in the pot. Spread the other stuff all around it, and we're going to move it to the oven for 20 minutes. The finished product smells great, looks great. It's going to be tender. It's going to be tasty. And here it is, the Greek chicken recipe with a cranberry salad. And it really just smells wonderful. I can't wait to eat it.